Oh my gosh, look at the size of that freaking turtle. I'm gonna pick him up. That is huge. Oh, he's got some sharp claw. Hey, it's alright, bud. It's alright, it's alright. He's trying to hide under here. I need 2 hands for this, John. He's a big boy. Let's see. I'm trying to get him. Let's find the head. That is indeed his butt. Anyway, it's alright. It's alright, bro. Dude. Giant leech on your shell. Let me just help you out here. Get him off of there. Dude, look at him. I think this is a common slider. He is a brute. Pretty angry with me, so let's just take him back up here. Yeah, he looks like he wants a piece of my fingers. But got a leech off his shell, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, he does not look very happy. He is a big dog. All right. There you go, buddy. Look at him go. Look at the size of his head, dude. He's an absolute tank. There he goes. See you later. I'm trying to cast right into this hole. Yeah, fish on, fish on. Oh, it's a good one too. Dude, look at the size of that creek chub. What a hoss. On the white hair jig. Didn't even, I barely moved that thing and he just slammed it. Cool, dude. On the board. There he goes. Get right back up in there. That's quite lovely, actually. Got him. Got him, boys. On the black. Now this one is a beautiful colored creek chub. Absolutely choked that little crawl down. Right through the top lip. Just get him back. Yeah, I got one. Oh, it's a nice one too. I couldn't tell if that was a fish or a rock, but it was a fish. Another beauty. Catching some good fish on these hair jigs today. Got him. Got him that time. Yeah, there's a smaller one. I was gonna say. Still not a bad fish. They're still inhaling this thing, dude. It's kind of crazy how aggressive they are. Another one. Another one right there. Beautiful creek chub. Got one. Fish on. Oh. And I snagged him. Sorry, little buddy. Get him back quick so he can heal up. What is that? Piece of porcelain or something? Yeah, it is. Look at that. This thing can hold water too. I'll tell you, found a freaking vase or a pot or something. Pretty darn cool. I'm gonna set that there and pick it up on the way back. Got one. There's a creek chub. Look at that. Got one. The hole was indeed promising. Another creek chub.